Meaning of dedicated.
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 Dedicated. The word dedicated refers to a person or thing that is committed to a particular task or purpose. It implies a level of focus and loyalty towards achieving a specific goal. A dedicated individual is one who gives their full attention and effort towards achieving their objectives, without being easily discouraged by setbacks or distractions. Similarly, a dedicated machine or system is one that has been specifically designed or configured to perform a particular function, often with high efficiency and reliability. Overall, the term dedicated suggests a strong sense of purpose and determination towards achieving a desired outcome.